In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel my BET Plus subscription, updated. If you no longer want to keep your BET Plus membership active, the process is fairly simple, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly where to go and what to expect. This method is done directly through the BET Plus website, so make sure you're using a web browser on your computer or mobile device before you begin. Start by opening your browser and going to the official BET Plus website. Once the page loads, sign into your account using your regular login details. Be sure you're signing into the correct account, especially if you've used more than one email or login in the past, since the subscription settings will only appear under the active account that holds the membership. After you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This will open the account menu where you'll need to select account. That will take you to your account settings page where you can manage your membership details. On the account page, scroll down until you find the subscription section. This is where BET Plus displays your current plan information and gives you the option to manage or end your subscription. When you see it, click cancel subscription. At that point, BET Plus will guide you through the remaining cancellation steps on screen. Follow the prompts carefully and confirm the cancellation when asked. In many cases, services like this may show a reminder about your billing cycle or ask you to confirm that you really want to cancel. So take a moment to read each screen before continuing. That helps make sure the cancellation goes through properly. Once you've completed the final confirmation, it's a good idea to check for any confirmation message on the page or in your email inbox. That can help you verify that the subscription has actually been canceled and that you won't be charged again after the current billing period if applicable. One important tip: if you originally subscribed through a third-party provider, such as an app store or streaming platform, you may need to cancel through that provider instead of directly on the BET Plus website. But if your subscription was started on the BET Plus site itself, the steps you just followed should be the correct way to cancel it. And that's it. That's how to cancel your BET Plus subscription quickly and directly from your account settings.